Streets.
Yes, Ricardo Scott here from the Ricardo Parts Racing team. Let me start off with the day. We had an extremely successful race one, where we actually broke out of the class in qualifying and we moved up to IP2 and came third in that race. Car ran very well. In race 2, there was a little issue down there in corner 1 where I got bumped off the track. Coming down into corner 8 and 9, the car flipped. Really and truly, I didn't panic, but I was a bit frightened. Coming down into the corner, I geared down, realized that the RPM was still high and the car wouldn't negotiate the corner as it should. That corner is very tight, so going down there with that amount of speed is very, very dangerous. So the RPM didn't drop. Revs stuck at over 8,000 RPM going down the corner. The car hit the curb and flipped, and that was it. But I'm safe. All my fans, I'll be back next year, so don't worry. I'm alright.
Are you all my personal dreams?